liver. Actually, your liver, not eating liver, but we want to take care of our liver, right? It's a huge, huge organ. It does so much work. So one of the key things is to keep the bile ducts moving in the liver. And what are bile ducts doing? Well, bile is actually produced when you eat fat, so that you can actually break down the fat. You can break down cholesterol. It helps you use your essential fats like vitamin A and vitamin D. So we want to keep that bile ducts open. So some of the things you can do is lemon juice first thing in the morning is great for opening up the bile ducts. I always say bitter for your liver. So anything that's kind of bitter, let's say dandelion greens are a little bitter, kale's a little bitter, that's good for your liver. But also beets are wonderful for your liver. Celery, dandelion greens. Did I already say that? Anyway, some of these wonderful foods. Let me see. Artichokes are wonderful. Parsley is wonderful. So you want to get these into the body and get those bile ducts moving because you want your liver functioning good. If you don't have a gallbladder, then you can do this as well. But because you lost your gallbladder, you probably have clogged bile ducts. So we don't want to have that happen, right? So eat the bitter is good for your liver foods and keep those bile ducts moving. Follow me on Divine Farmer Health.